Hi everybody, I hope you enjoyed reading the Newsella article about Malala. Today we will also read Chapter 3 entitled A Magic Pencil. Before you get started reading Chapter 3, I'd like to review and preview a couple of vocabulary words. The first word is obsessed. Obsessed means preoccupied or filling someone's mind continually and to a troubling extent. The next word is curry. Curry is a variety of dishes originating in the Indian subcontinent that use a complex combination of spices or herbs. In this chapter, you will hear the word matted, and in this case, they're referring to matted hair. Matted hair is when your hair is tangled into a thick mass, kind of like the dog shown on the left in the slide. And lastly, you will hear the word rupees. Rupees is the official currency of India, just like our official currency here in the United States is the dollar. Okay, you're going to read Chapter 3 and then head to Google Classroom to answer one short question about what you've read today. Have fun!